love food and I also love to travel. Whenever I go to a different country, I go for the street food. I love the street food. That's where you find the best food. Now, in India, whenever I go to Delhi and Mumbai, there are two items, street food, which I love the most. You guys, I think you can guess it right away. It is Golgappa, which you could call India's national snack. I have it all the time and love it. One more thing I love is Bhel puri. I know most Indians can tell what Bhel puri is and enjoy it. Now yesterday, I received some of these. Salsalitos, chips and sauce. And I was thinking what to do with them when I had a sudden crave for Bhel puri. And I thought, why don't I make my Bhel puri even more yummy? And I realized I could make Nacho Bhel. Salsalitos Nacho Bhel. That already tastes amazing, sounds amazing, right? So why don't we make that a reality? Hello everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KitchenTube HD. It's salsa time. Let's make some salsa. Cucumber. Next is one of my favorite vegetables. Onion, chopped onion. Chopped tomatoes. They're red and juicy. Oil. Let's mix. Just mix a little bit. Let the oil coat evenly. Time to add the masalas. Salt. Chaat masala. Dry mango powder. And lime juice. Mixing time. It's nicely mixed. Time for the big guns. Salsalito wrap salsa. I love the tanginess of it, so I can't wait when two very yummy dishes combine. Let's add it. First spoon, second spoon. It is tangy but a little spicy too, so I'm only adding 2 spoons. Mixing time again. Oh, the salsa is really coming together. The main ingredient is Salsalitos nacho chips. I'm using creamy cheese. Let's open it up. First thing to do would be to obviously have one. You know, normally in Bhel puri, they add the puri and then they crush it a lot. Well, instead of the puri, we're adding the nachos. And Salsalitos make some of the best nachos. I love them. Let's crush it up in the bag. Ooh, this is finely crushed. Coriander leaves. Mint leaves. Let's mix. And our nacho bhel is ready. Yes, that's what I'm calling it. Now before serving, taste time. Tangy, spicy, crunchy and cheesy. Perfect. And the Salsalitos nacho chips, creamy cheese flavor, gave it the creaminess and the cheesy flavor. Those were the best parts about it. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you Salsalito for gifting me these lovely nachos and dips. So, bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to me, KitchenTube. Bye guys.